This video will show you how to use a Blu-ray player in your classroom. If your room does not have a touch panel or disc player, contact our office for a quarterly installation or loan. Locate the Blu-ray button on the touch panel. Press it, then send to projector. Open the disc tray by pressing eject. Insert your disc. Press play. Use the navigation controls on the touch panel or with the remote provided. Please note that only Region A Blu-rays and Region 1 DVDs will work with our players. If your materials are on a burned disc or are on a different region DVD, it may work with one of our external disk drives available for checkout. These devices are plug-and-play, so all you need to do is plug them in and insert your disc. Play your disc from the desktop or player. Check for scratches or spots on the bottom of your disc. Burned or non-native region discs may not be universally formatted to work in our player. If you have checked out an external drive and it has stopped working, please contact us as soon as possible. If you run into anything that isn't covered in this video, please email help@uw.edu. Thank you for watching.